In this video, I'll explain how to find your Starling Bank account number and sort code. I'll be showing the official Starling Bank website for reference, but please note that accessing your full account details requires logging into the Starling mobile app. So, keep watching to understand exactly what you need to do. To start, visit the official Starling Bank website to familiarize yourself with their services and features. Now, to locate your account number and sort code, open the Starling Bank mobile app on your phone and sign in with your credentials. On the home screen, tap the plus button next to your account balance, then select Account Details from the menu. Here, you'll see your account number and sort code clearly displayed. You can also find your IBAN and SWIFT/BIC codes in this section, which are useful for international transfers. For most Starling personal account holders, the account number is also printed on the back of your debit card. However, if you have one of the older purple or early teal cards, the account number may not appear there. Remember, while the website provides general information, accessing specific details such as your account number and sort code must be done through the mobile app for security reasons. You'll find all the links to Starling Bank's official website and support pages in the description below. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.